Hi guys, welcome back to another video from Car Help For You. So in today's video, we're working on a 2009 Fiat 500. And what we're doing is we're changing the rear ABS sensor, so the rear wheel speed sensor. This particular one is the passenger side rear. And the sensor itself is located on the back of the hub, so just here. So it is on by a hex type of screw, like an Allen size. And all you've got to do is literally just unscrew that there. Now, if you take the wheel off, you've got a lot more excess. However, I'm not taking the wheel off, so I'm a bit restricted. You can undo this bolt here for the shock absorber, and the shock absorber will just travel up this way, so it'll travel up that way, and then you've got a bit more. However, if you do have the tools and you do have the time, you don't mind, faffing on a little bit, you can definitely just get yourself into there. And as you can see, it's just there. Unscrew that one, you just pull on it ever so slightly. So once you've done that, you'll have that part of the connector loose, and what you want to do is you want to trace it back. So it's just this wire here. Be careful, because the one underneath is a brake hose. If you burst that, you're in for a lot of excruciating pain, because it's not a 10-minute job unless you know what you're doing. But obviously you can't drive your car. So this is this cable here. So if I just try and undo this all the way across, might make life a bit easier for you guys. So it's in here by a clip. So if I just undo that clip now. I want the clip undo. Okay, so there we are. So that clip was a bit tight. But again, all we're going to do is just our sensor, not the brake cable. So that just pops out of there. And then we move it along. So when we move it along now, can you guys see just over that there? So that's it there. All we want to do is literally just push it up, and then we want to follow it. So can you guys see where I am there? Yeah, so we're into this little part here, which is extremely fiddly now. But you've got a brake pipe there, so you want to be very, very careful. And then, can I just pull it out? Yep, I can see it moving. Maybe just push it, there we are. So now that's out of there, which was just in that one there. It has, if we just come underneath here, so it is got a cable tie on it there, which obviously I'll need to take that cable tie off. I don't have a cutter to hand, and then it seems like that is the plug for it there. And to get the plug off, how does it plug in? Just to push us back. But I think I need two hands, so that will just push back and it will unclip when this comes with you. That cable tie needs replacing. And to put it back on is literally the same procedure. So plug it in there, feed it all the way back through, or even what you could do is put it in there first, put it in the back of the hub first, and then work your way backwards. Shut your cable tie in at the end if yours has one. It should, I think it should do, because that looks like it's supposed to have it there. Plug it back in, and it is literally as easy as that. So it's not too complicated. Once you've done that, make sure you clear any fault codes that you have out of the system, and your ABS will be fixed. Again guys, if this did help you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.